Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Eugene. Welcome to Random World. Today we're looking at a Brix set. This is a household Brix series computer. It costs $3.25 at the Five and Below store. There's 83 pieces and instructions. We are going to build this in stop motion today, and then we'll talk about it at a later date. But here it is. I think there's the household series has a bunch of different types of sets. We do have a bunch. They'll probably be, if I remember correctly, this will be my random build. It's builds and reviews. So that's where you'll find this one. This one won't have its own playlist. I don't have enough bricks to justify it in my mind. So look at the random builds and reviews. Without further ado, we're going to build this in stop motion. Thanks for watching and stay collecting.